What if you could grow your TikTok or YouTube Faceless channel faster with almost no editing? Today I'm showing you how to use ShortAI, an AI-powered video generator that instantly turns any video into content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and even lets you schedule your posts. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to generate and download your first short or long-form video. Once you're on ShortAI, sign in with your Google account or register with an email address that isn't linked to any existing account. When you're logged in, this is the main ShortAI dashboard you'll see. It's organized into different AI tools, templates, and categories, so you can create any type of short-form video with just a few clicks. At the top, you'll see the AI Tools section, which includes the main features: Auto Clip for turning long videos into multiple short clips, AI Image for generating visuals, and AI Script for creating ready-made scripts. Below that is the Faceless video category, which lets you create videos without showing your face, ideal for TikTok and Faceless YouTube channels. You can choose from categories like superhero, Reddit story, AI story video, fake texts, and dialogue generator, all designed to create fast, viral-ready content with just a few clicks. If you scroll down, you'll reach the popular templates section. These are ready-made setups that you can use with just one click. They're categorized by style, such as Reddit story fake texts, AI story video dialogue generator, and superhero. Each template comes with visuals, layouts, and editing presets already applied. All you need to do is click Use this clipping setup, upload your content, and Short.ai builds the video for you. This is especially useful if you want consistent branding or need quick content without doing custom edits. Let's start with the Auto Clip feature and create clips or shorts from one long video. To begin, choose Upload a video to add a file from your computer, or paste a YouTube link into the field. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've picked a video I made about another AI tool called Vidx.ai, which helps you find trending viral videos on YouTube with just a few clicks. I created that tutorial about 2 weeks ago, and if you want to watch it, the link is in the description below. ShortAI will pull the video in automatically. After adding your video or pasting your YouTube link, ShortAI takes you to the Auto Clip setup screen. This is where you can choose how you want your clips to be generated before the AI starts analyzing your content. At the top, you'll see a reminder to use your own original videos to avoid copyright issues. Then click Get Clips, but before that, you can adjust all the settings below. First, you can choose the video type. Let AI Detect is the default, and it works for most videos. ShortAI will automatically decide what moments are worth clipping, but you can also choose between other video types like podcast, gaming, lifestyle, vlog, and sports. Next is the aspect ratio. For TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, you'll want 9:16. Then there's clip length. You can set a fixed length, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds, or leave it on auto, where the AI decides the best length based on the moment. Under that, you can choose if you want subtitles enabled. Leaving this on Yes is recommended because subtitles usually increase watch time and engagement. There's also an optional box called Include Specific Moments. Here, you can type keywords or moments you want the AI to focus on. For example, funny moments, motivational parts, or best reactions. The AI will prioritize clips that match your instructions. You can set the processing time frame. If you only want clips from a specific part of the video, you can drag the slider to select the exact start and end time. This is useful if your video has an intro you want to skip or a section you want to focus on. And finally, below that, you can choose your subtitle style. ShortAI gives you a variety of preset caption designs, each with its own look and feel. Adding subtitles is highly recommended because it helps keep viewers watching longer. especially on platforms where most people watch with the sound off. Once you've set everything the way you want, click Get Clips, and ShortAI will start analyzing your video and generating your clips. Once your video is loaded, ShortAI immediately starts analyzing it. It looks for the strongest moments, highlights, and sections with the highest engagement potential, and then it automatically generates multiple short clips for you to preview. And after some minutes, here is the result. 18 minutes is 360 credits. Once the AI finishes analyzing your video, you'll be taken to the Auto Clip Results page. At the top, you can see your original video, along with the title, the link, and the total duration. Right below that is the full list of clips the AI created. Each clip comes with a score, usually between 0 and 10. The higher the score, the more likely that clip will perform well on platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. You'll also see a preview thumbnail and the exact duration of each clip. This lets you quickly scan through and decide which ones you want to edit or export. Let's check out the details of one of the clips. This segment breaks down a high-scoring clip titled, Replicate Viral Success with Vidx.ai. It shows why the video performs so well, with a 9.8 virality rating and strong marks for hook, flow, value, and trend. Are you trying to grow a YouTube channel but spend hours searching for what actually works? What if an AI tool could find trending faceless channels and viral video ideas for you, all in minutes? And that's the result of creating one of many shorts from a long-form video. Now let's create a faceless video using the superhero feature. It only takes a few clicks to generate. This is the superhero creation page, and here you can build a complete faceless video using characters, props, and backgrounds generated by AI. At the top, you'll find a custom prompt box where you can describe anything you want the AI to include in your story. Below it, you can select the language for your script. On the right, the optional settings let you customize the protagonist, antagonist, NPC, and background using simple drop-downs. You can mix and match characters like Spider-Man, Sonic, Goku, or the Joker, and choose settings such as Central Park or a beach. And if you don't want to customize anything manually, you can scroll down and choose a random template for quick creation. These templates include pre-made superhero styles featuring characters like Spider-Man, Sonic, Hulk, or Deadpool, all designed to give your video a dramatic, animated feel. Choosing a template will instantly fill in all the settings for you, making it a really fast way to generate a complete faceless video. Now let's create our own faceless short as an example. The key prop I am picking is bat. I typed bat as the key prop, and I'm pairing it with a fun mix of characters. Deadpool as the protagonist, Joker as the antagonist, SpongeBob SquarePants as the NPC, and the nice beach as the background. With these settings, ShortAI will generate a funny superhero-style script based on this combination. Once everything is set, click Generate Script to let the AI build the story for you. Next, you'll be taken to the storyboard page. Here, you'll see all the scenes the AI created from your story. Each scene includes a short scene description, transitions, visual effects, sound effects. If you're happy with the scenes, click Batch. Generate images to create all visuals at once. ShortAI will show a bulk generation in progress window while it works. Once the images are ready, click Generate. ShortAI will build your entire superhero video using your characters, transitions, and sound effects. Your video will appear in the preview window. You can recreate if you want a different version, download the video, post directly to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. That's it. We've just created a full superhero animation using nothing but a simple prompt. Let's take a look.
What is he doing?
Look at me.
Bye-bye.
What we should do? For you. It looks good.
Wow.
And this is for you. It looks good.
Wow.
Special for you, baby.
Keep your eyes on me. Please, guys, do subscribe for help me.
Eat this, my friend.
That's pretty impressive, and I think I'll check out one more feature for today. Let's take a look at the AI story video and create one. Here is the script page of the AI story video feature. You can either write your own script or let the AI generate one for you on this page. By default, you're on the Custom Script tab. At the top, you can add your video starting hook, a strong opening line that grabs attention, like, "Have you ever wondered how?" On the right side, there's a box for the video ending CTA, where you can include your call to action, such as subscribe for more, follow for daily facts, or anything you want the viewer to do at the end. Below that, you have the main script box where you type the full story or the message you want the AI to turn into a video. You can write anything here, from educational content, tutorials, tips, or even storytelling. There's also a small guideline below. Approximately 1,000 characters equals 1 minute of video, so you can control the length of your final video. If you don't want to write anything manually, you can switch to the AI script tab at the top. When you switch to the AI script tab, ShortAI gives you a collection of ready-made script templates you can use instantly. These templates cover different categories like interesting history, long-form jokes, bedtime stories, and more. Just choose the style you want and click Use it, and the AI automatically generates a full script for your video. On the custom prompt page, you can let the AI create a full script based on your own idea. Simply describe your video concept in the big text box. Choose the language, add a hook and a call to action if you want, and then select the length of the script. 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, or 90 to 120 seconds. Once everything is set, click Generate Script, and the AI will write the entire story for you automatically. But for the purpose of this video, I will pick a motivational template. After clicking on the motivational template, Short.ai opens the Generate Script pop-up. Here, you can customize the final details before the AI writes your script. At the top, you can select the language of your video. Then you have two optional fields, a video starting hook to grab attention, and a call to action for the ending of the video. At the bottom, you can choose the length of your script, 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, or 90 to 120 seconds. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate Script, and the AI will instantly create a complete motivational script for you. I'm leaving the settings as they are and clicking Generate Script. After generating the script, ShortAI brings you back to the custom script page with your new script automatically filled in. Here you can read through the entire script, make edits if needed, or adjust the hook and call to action at the top. At the bottom, you can see the character count, which helps you estimate the final video length. Once everything looks good, you can click Next to move on to the background selection. Once your script is ready, click Next, and you'll move on to Step 2, where you choose your video background and visual style. On this page, you can choose the visual style for your video's background. ShortAI offers several options like watercolor, manga style, Pixar style, and many more. At the top, you can also select the aspect ratio, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, 1:1 for Instagram posts, or 16:9 for long-form YouTube videos. Simply pick the style you like, then click Next to continue. I am picking Pixar for my short video. On the subtitle page, you can choose your caption style and how the text will appear in your video. You can also decide to disable subtitles completely if you don't want any text on screen. Once you've selected your option, click Next to continue. On the voice page, you can choose the narrator for your video. There are different voice options based on gender, age, language, and style. From social media voices to narration, energetic voices, or calm storytelling. You can preview each voice by clicking the play button and using the filters at the top to narrow down your search. For my video, I picked Emery, a smooth, warm, and professional female voice ideal for clear and calming projects. If you'd like to add background music, that's possible too. ShortAI includes open-source music libraries officially provided by TikTok and YouTube, and you can even adjust the music volume to match your video. Click Generate Video to move to the final step. ShortAI opens a preview window showing that your video is being created. You'll see a progress bar, and you can safely leave this page. The video will continue rendering in the background. When finished, you can recreate the video, make some adjustments, post it on social media, or download it. Let's watch the result.
Clara faced a setback when she lost her job unexpectedly. The sudden change sent waves of uncertainty through her mind. Each day felt heavier with anxiety. One evening, she stumbled across an old book on mindfulness and meditation. It spoke of a mantra, "I am enough." Clara decided to give it a try. Each morning, she would sit quietly and repeat her mantra. At first, nothing changed, but she persisted. Gradually, she felt a calmness wash over her. The mantra became a lifeline, guiding her through doubt. Emboldened by her newfound clarity, Clara updated her resume. She reached out to old colleagues, embracing the support they offered. With every application sent, she felt a spark of hope reignite. A month later, a call came. A job interview awaited. Clara walked into the room, heart steady and confidence glowing. The mantra echoed in her head. Days later, the offer arrived. Her journey had taught her resilience. Now, she knew that amidst challenges, the quiet strength within could lead to transformation. Let your inner voice speak. You are more than enough.
Beautiful. And if you're going through a job loss yourself or you're looking for fresh opportunities, I've got something to help you out. At remotejobleads.com, I post daily remote job openings, beginner-friendly roles, and legit companies hiring right now. You can check it out anytime. It's free to browse, and it might be exactly what you need if you're ready for a new chapter. Before we wrap up, here's a quick look at the pricing. ShortAI has 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan is $19 a month and gives you 1,600 credits, enough for around 40 faceless videos. You also get autoclip, AI scripts, captions, and posting to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. The Pro plan, which is the most popular, is $30 a month and includes 3,600 credits. That's roughly 90 faceless videos, plus access to pro voices. And for heavy creators, the Enterprise plan is $60 a month with 7,200 credits, enough for around 180 faceless videos, plus larger upload limits. Credit usage is simple. Faceless videos generally cost 20 credits per 30 seconds, auto captions cost 30 credits per minute, and auto clips cost 20 credits per minute. It's flexible, and you only use credits for what you actually create. And that's everything you need to start creating your own videos with ShortAI. If you want to try the tool yourself, I've placed my ShortAI link in the description. Using it helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.